Hey Spline gang, welcome back. I'll skip the usual pitch today. You guys know the drill, like and subscribe if you're a Spline user. I'm making this video because I just released a gigantic collection over 500 Matcap materials which you can download from the Gumroad link in the description below. Pick up a free sample of about 50 of them there, or download the complete library of over 500 Matcaps for just $4 at the time this video is being published. I'm going to leave it at this low price for a few weeks to allow you guys to pick it up before I move it up to about $10 or so. Here's a quick sample video of about 80 pieces to show all sorts of different shapes with both flat and round surfaces, so you can get an idea of what these Matcaps might look like in your projects. I've been building this for over a year, and it has all my personal material files that I use on my professional pieces in it. Check out my 5-part Matcap tutorial to learn how to use them. And now you can get a feel for what you're getting when you purchase this library. Here we go. Okay, so to start off, we have this basic normal Matcap. I made this in several different shades, so you can get some different tones and colors using the normal Matcap. This is a cool black carbon fiber, shows the patterns, all sorts of reflectivity, interesting glass and scientific type shapes, all sorts of metallics. This is a matte gold. We have this eroded kind of pitted bronze right here, another matte kind of pinball looking silver, metallics of all colors, Roy G. Biv, even metallics with patterns and colors like this one. This is a cool tie-dye one if you want to get funky. Looks great on all sorts of different shapes. More geometric, scientific looking ones. This is an awesome kind of cartoonish looking blue gloss. I love that one. There's a big selection of these colorful gradients, all colors in this one as well, which is great for creating that cartoon look. Again, more colored metallics, kind of organic, scientific, random shapes. This one's like a dark white shader. Here we have some kind of hempy looking cloth, some outer glows, which look great on a black background. This one shows that they look better on some surfaces than others. This is another kind of cartoony blue icy one. Here we got a two-tone white gloss, some rounded out halftones, more two-tones. I think this is the same as the other one, just with a hue shift. Again, some triple tones with a undershade black, kind of outer glow, blue and purple. There's all sorts of these cut gems and like kind of prisms. Those are great to combine with glass. Here we got, wood flooring and wood grain, kind of gross, pukey green slime. All sorts of stuff in this one, guys. All sorts of crazy, Star Wars looking metals. Here we got Alex Gray's famous painting. There's a bunch of these illustrated kind of, trippy patterns, lots of grids, which look great on round surfaces. This one's one of my absolute favorite patterns, especially when it's animated. And a kiwi. Yeah, more kind of trippy psychedelic stuff. Again, I use all this stuff. I love the colors. More halftones with the rounded sphere effect, liquefied halftones over a normal background, which is cool. More illustrated designs and drawings and patterns. These ones are more rounded spheres than the other grids that you saw. They're kind of more puffed out to give kind of more of a, shapely feel. All these patterns have like lighting and shading on top, which you'll also notice, which adds a lot to the 3D effects, from all angles, which is great. Liquefied planet looking stuff. This one's a knit sweater. You see in the bottom center, that shape is made out of all flat materials. This one's denim, so that one looks really cool. It's almost got a disco ball effect. Here's some tiles, pearl, And the Matcap images look just like how they do on the top right circle. This one's a glowing one, looks great on black. More matted metallic materials. There's a bunch of these with the black outlines, which look great on lots of shapes. The black outline really adds to an awesome illustrated effect. I love using that one. It's like a jawbreaker, terracotta flooring, more organic, scientific shapes. This one's like a snake skin, as you can imagine, bottom left. Here we got the moon. So these look different on every single shape that you can imagine. So this one's cool, the glossy yellow one, more sheet metal with screws. rocks, bricks, grass, organic stuff of all kinds, more knitted kind of cloth looks. Here we got an eyeball even. There's a bunch of cool image ones like this one and the kiwi. More faceted gemstones. Again, they look great when you combine it with the glass effect. And all sorts of multicolored, multi-toned ones like that. More image ones with a rounded effect. Again, liquefied gradients. You'll notice how they look different on flat and round surfaces when you compare them to the different objects. So that's why I have all these moving around, so you can kind of get a feel for that. Clouds. What else we got in here? Oh yeah, tons of these grid effects. I really love using these in the right situation. More glossy. This one comes in all colors of the rainbow as well. This one does kind of a transparent resin, multicolored, more spherical halftones. Here we got like a basketball, football, leather bag, all sorts of stuff you can do with that one. More metallic, snakeskin almost. There's a lot of really great sci-fi stuff in this package, so definitely be looking forward to that if you decide to grab it. Again, you can get 50 of these for completely free at the link to the Gumroad, and you can download the complete set. It's at $4 right now for starting off. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it that low, so if you do want to grab it, make sure you do it quick. It's super cheap for the amount that's in here, and then you can use it for all your projects. Here we got tie-dye, more grids. And this is just a small selection, so if you want to see more, definitely check out the Matcap collection that I made.